guys, today I'm going to be doing like slime competitions and everything. So I'm going to do this glitter glue one, blue glitter glue with like borax and normal stuff that I would do it in, food coloring, borax solution and shaving foam. Yeah, so let's get started. I'm going to just open this up. Okay, pour some in my bowl. Ooh la la. Yeah. Let me just squirt this out. I'll show you how much I put in. Okay. I put about that much in. Now I'm just going to give that a little stir. I can see what. Ooh, if this works, it's going to be super cool. I'm just going to. I'm going to put a tiny bit of normal glue in after if it doesn't work. I'm going to put my Gillette Lemon Lime shaving cream in. Time to squirt some of that in. Okay, that's enough. Put about that much in. I'm going to give that a stir. That looks really cool. Might put a bit of blue glitter in. And just get these scissors and kind of hold on the top. Yeah, I'll just take all of it off. Just going to put a little bit of glitter in. Couple of pinches. And the glitter glue, blue glitter glue I just got was from Hills Mart. I'm just going to mix that in. Okay, now I've got my borax solution. Teaspoon of borax and a cup of hot water. And then you carbonate it. Squirt some of you in. I really hope this works. And I'll tell you what glue completely what it is to see if it works, so you can buy it and make it. Well, it's starting to get a bit like slime, but let me just put a bit more of you in. Because it's still pretty sticky, I'm going to add a bit of normal glue. It's just this craft glue stuff that I always use. Go. Just going to squirt a tiny bit of you in. There we go. This might work, it might not. Starting to get less sticky. Where's my box? Here it is. Hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. Ask any questions that you want to ask me and I will sure answer them for you. There's a couple more starting to get good. And And this was glitter glue. It wasn't straight glitter, it was glitter glue. Okay, now let me touch you. Ooh, it's less sticky. Just, I think I put a bit too much shaving foam. Still need a bit more. And just watch my hands a bit. Dry them up. Thank you. Now let me see. Yeah, it is a bit sticky. I might put a bit more of this glue. It does work better when I put some of it in. So I think straight glitter glue does not work, but let me keep trying. And it's only got a tiny bit of that glue, but still it's a bit cheaty. That is a bit better, but still needs some more solution. See, it's gone pretty good now when I touch it. It's a bit watery as well. Sorry about the background noise, but that will be done soon. Sorry about that background noise. That will be done. That will be off soon. Look at that. It's almost done. Still a bit not sticky, but glitter, and that goes on your hands. More goes on my hands. I'll try a bit more. When we get to 30 subscribers, I will maybe make a big slime. A massive one that. That big, maybe? Pretty big one, maybe a whole bottle of that wood. It's getting better. Still a bit, stretchy. Bit. Yeah, a bit stretchy. So let me make some sound. Solution. Ouch, that hurt. It's getting there. It's getting there. It's just the glitter in it, really. Focus. 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 So I don't think straight glue probably does work, but I think with a bit of PVA glue it works better, just like this. So let's go to the next slime or different glue. Might get a container for you. to bye slime. Okay, next I'm going to use this foam glue. I also got this from the Heels Mart from the shops. It's like foam glue. I don't know if it's foamy. I've never used it. Let me just wash my hands. Got a bit of glue on. Let me dry them up. Yeah, I am back. Okay, open you up. No, just open the whole thing up. Okay, let me see if that looks foamy. I don't know, but let's see if this glue works. Looks like normal PVA glue. Not much. Now I'm going to, it smells weird. I'm going to have my shaving cream. Mix that up. I might put a bit of, tiny bit of pink, well, purple glitter. Where did it go? Where did my glitter go? Oh, it's back here. Just a tiny bit of you. Actually, no, I don't want it. Mix that up good. Now I'm going to add my borax solution. I'm just going to give a bit of a shape. It is getting a bit slimy. It's working a bit, but let's put some more in. After this, I'll touch my finger. Well, I'll put my finger in there to see how it's actually going. I think it might work. I don't know. Still needs more, but yes, I do think this is going to work. If you try this, can you tell me if it works for you or not down below? So tell me if you've done, if you do any of these. It's not that sticky anymore. Still needs some more though. It's super duper stretchy. Still need some more. My mixing. I don't know if I need more or if I already put too much in. It can stretch, but it can't stretch. I don't know. I'm doing the same recipe recipe with all of them, but different glue. There may be different glitter. Okay, this slime is done, and that does work better than the other one. And let me put you in a container. At the end, I might mix these up. See, bye-bye. Okay, this is going to be the last one, and then there'll be a part 2. So this one is I'm going to try liquid clear glue. I've never used liquid clear glue before, so I don't know if it's going to work. It doesn't look liquidy when I pour it in, but hurry up. Yeah, okay. That's enough. I don't think you can see it, but I might put food colour in this one so you can see what I'm doing. I might put some blue food colouring in. Where is it? Here it is. My blue food colouring. It's not opening. There we go. Okay. Did about 2 drops of it. Bit hard to do it when it doesn't have the drip thing. Not much. Okay, now I'm going to get my mixing. Mix that up. I hope this works. I've never ever tried this glue. It's very dark blue. And can you please subscribe? Anything that I need to work on with my YouTube videos? If it's I need to look at you more, or need to make better slimes maybe? Whatever you think I need to do. I'm not going to put shaving cream in my clay glue ones though. I'm going to add some solution. Next I'll be using this clag glue. This clag paste glue. But after I do this one. Ooh, looks like this is actually turning out really good. I don't need much more. It's already not sticky. Oh, it's a bit sticky. It looks like gel. Like hair gel. Okay. I think you are done. That was quick. No, I definitely am going to do the clag one. This part of it. Look at that. I might make a galaxy slime after with different colours. This is a really nice one. It's not stretchy, but it just looks good. The colour. I think I'm just going to do a bit more. One more squirt. There we go. Go in that. Okay, you can go in the container. I'm running out of containers already, jeez. I only bought them yesterday. Okay, I'm going to use a different bowl now. I'm going again. Okay, so I'm going to do clag paste this time. I don't know if it works or not. I've seen people use this and it doesn't work, but let's see if we're going to be the lucky people. Lucky. Okay, so I'm going to get some clag stuffy. Oops. Place it in there. By the looks of it, I've never used this clag glue before, and it's the texture looks weird. I'm just going to give that a bit of a mix. It's really weird. I think it's more of a white PVA glue. So I'm just going to put shaving cream in. Oh, I just went to the shops today. I forgot to get shaving foam. Oops, it doesn't matter. Smells good. Smells like one of mine. It looks good, but I don't think this is going to work. Okay, let's put some solution in. It's not doing anything. Look, it's still exactly the same. Well, now you know what it looks like because I didn't show you then. I'm going to try to put a bit more in. It's not doing anything. It's still like that. So, now you know this cloud place glue does not work. So, I'm just going to put that to a side. Now, clean it up after. Was there any other glue? Oh, yes, there was. Just wait there for one quick sec. Got to get it out. This craft glue I'm going to try now. There's still 2 more. If you can wait that long. I'll try and be fast. Shaving foam. Let's mix that in. Where's my mixing thing? I'll just get a new one. Okay, that isn't shaving cream's mixed in with the glue. I'm going to add no food coloring, and let's put some of the activator or borax solution, whatever you want to call it, in. I think this is going to work. I've never used this glue before. I got it from Woolies. Woolworths. Very foamy. If it doesn't work, I might have to add a bit more glue in. Yeah, I might add a bit more glue in. It just feels like shaving cream. Straight shaving cream. Now you know that cloud glue did not work. And it's not just you if you've tried it before. Okay. I'm not mixing in now. So it's already got borax solution. Oh, this is cold. Very cold. Mix in. Mix in, mix in, mix in. Mix in, mix in, mix in. Mix in. Mix in. I'm getting my hands all messy. Mix in. Not out. Mix in. Okay, it's good enough. Let's add some more of this solution. My hands are so messy. I've got all stuff on them, but that's what it's like so far. This looks like it's working. It's starting to get hard in some spots though. That might just be a bad spot. I might just get that out. See? Oh no. Ah! Dropped a bit. Oh, that is the hard bit. This is the hard bit. This isn't the best slime ever, but it works. If you want to make slime, but you don't care if it's not perfect, whoops, this glue will be the right glue for you to use. Whoops, it's just craft glue, just set it around the wrong way for you guys. So this actually works. This is one of the last ones. I have one more, and then we'll be done. You get a big container. Such a small slime. Okay. Last glue is this craft glue. You've never seen me use this, and I've never seen me use it either, so something new. All this stuff is like walking forward. A bit annoying. Okay, let's put some of you in. This will be the last one. Sorry if you're getting a bit bored, but I have to do this for you. This is the last one. Tell me if you like it or not. Tell me how many worked for you. Tell me which ones they were, and yeah, so I'm going to put a bit of red. Actually, I'll put blue in. So now I'll just put glitter in. Sorry for changing my mind so much, but I like changing my mind a lot. Okay, one more little bit. Okay, that should be enough. That is how much I put in. So I'm just going to mix that up. The colours going out of the glitter into the glue. So I've kind of put like blue, purple food colouring in. I'm going to see if this works. Okay, where's my solution? Here it is. Put you in. I don't know if this is going to work or not. I think it is because it's kind of in one big lump already, but it isn't. So I don't know. Looks really dark on yours. Oh, looks really dark on my iPad. Mine's really light. Okay. Put mine in. Right, now that looks like a bit more darker. If you can see that. Put a bit more in. When this part's mixed in, I'm going to touch it to see if it's good. I think one or two more will be good, but I haven't touched it yet, so I don't really know. Okay, I'm going to touch it. I'll touch it here. Still needs more. My finger is covered in like glue. Where's my solution here? Geez. Whoops, I squirted a bit too much in, but get in there now. Get in there. Bit hard to mix now, so when I get this in one big chunk, I am going to touch it again. Okay, let me touch it. Touch. It doesn't stick. It does not stick. But it's a bit stringy right now. Because my hands have got it when it was bad. Okay, let me just get some off this knife. going to show you. I'm just squeeze a bit of water out. It's very watery. And I'm going to say this as a yes, it does work. So that is the finishing touch. So let me get a container for you. Where's one for you? And now you're going to have to go in a big container. Can't find any more. Well, right now I can't, but there's some in my room. Let me just get some water. Just squeeze some of the water out. The glitter makes it feel really weird. Not to me, it does. And it's very watery. Just spray it on me. Okay, so this was all the slime finishing touch. So, yeah. Maybe next video I might add them in. Oh, jeez, it's been 30 minutes. Jeez. Gotta get finished up now. So, I'm going to have to say bye to you guys. So, bye, see you next week. And I'll do some more slime next week for you guys. So, bye, see you next week.